Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to center text in middle of page Word. Open the Word document to see the text to be centered. After this, select the text. Now from the Home menu, click on Center or use the key combination Ctrl+E. You will see your text centered in the middle of the page in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.